In this video, I will show you exactly how to configure form scheduling parameters with specific closing dates in Typeform so you can manage your data collection much more effectively. Managing the availability of your surveys is a crucial part of running a professional campaign, and it ensures that you do not receive unwanted responses after a deadline has passed. To get started, you will need to open your specific form within the Typeform editor interface. Once you have navigated to your project and the editor has loaded, look toward the top menu bar where you will find a gear icon that represents the Settings tab. Click on that icon to open up the configuration options for your current form. Within this Settings menu, you should look through the list on the left side to locate the section labeled Access and Scheduling. This is the central hub where you control how and when people can view or interact with your content. It is important to note that many of these advanced features require a paid subscription plan. If you have an active paid plan, you will see a toggle switch for the option to schedule a close date. Simply click that toggle to turn the feature on. Once enabled, a set of scheduling tools will appear on your screen, allowing you to refine your parameters. You can now proceed to set the exact date and time that you want your form to stop accepting new submissions. This allows you to walk away from your computer while the software automatically shuts down the entry process at your preferred moment. Make sure you double-check your time zone settings so the form closes precisely when you intend. This simple process gives you complete control over your workflow and ensures your submission windows are always perfectly timed for your audience. It is an incredibly helpful way to automate your data gathering tasks with total precision and ease.